My case is atrial fibrillation.
Atrial
Yes,
fibrillation.
irregular heartbeat, which is only 35% na lang as of this present. But I really benefited from our product. I could not really walk from this point to that point. Nahirapan akong huminga, pero ngayon, nakaka-carry ako ng bag ko, nakakalakad ng malayo.
Wow.
But I wanted to have yung talagang diagnostic talaga na I have my laboratory test, 16 laboratory test, all is normal.
Wow! So what did you do po? What did you do every day?
I always drink
The
charged
water.
water.
And then,
I follow the usual procedure, which is
you every day
Yeah.
yung sa lahat ng Meridian.
yes, Meridian. Actually, I only blow my heart 5 minutes because I'm too skeptical at first, because when I started in the office, nung nag-ano ako nag-blow dito, sumakit. Tatlong araw na ako nakatulog.
Oh!
So ang inano ko, pinokos ko sa likod, spinal column. Kahit i-ano mo yung sa likod yung device, mapipil mo yung tumatagos sa mga
Matagos.
And I really,
Powerful.
I'm so amazed. Mga therapeutic drugs ko na 15 lahat, nabawas na.
Yay!
Yung aking parating namamanas, tinanggalin yung furosemide.
Wow!
So the doctor was so amazed, si cardiologist, sabi niya, I have to take up another to the echo with,
Yay! Congratulations!
actually, na-inspire ako dun sa Europe na nagsabi na, na 20% na lang. So, I was inspired. So, kung siya 20%, ako 35%.
That's right. Oh, sure.
How could I complain?
That's
God is
right.
really so good.
Amen to that.
Kaya ako na ganun.